Good morning. So now it's 8 a.m. So I will going to airport and eat breakfast. For introduction, actually I just bring two bags now. One is just my little tiny luggage. This one is like going to check in. And then my trusty Deuter Futura 30. So I just bring two only. So this one will carry with me because I have all the accessories, the camera. So now waiting for luggage chain drop, and then apparently so weird, why so many people are here?
要飞了，要飞了，去哪里啊？爬了，K 来了，K 来了。
Here has some hiccup is apparently if you go to Mount Kinabalu, you need to 2 hours before to drop in. Just now, our case is we cannot self-check-in, we need to go to counter because too late. So you can see Penang Airport is actually still have people one. AirAsia always have people. But I can see from behind the Scoot airline still have some people. Not like the real MCO, right? Really empty like a dead space. Yeah, a piece of advice is that AirAsia changed something already. You need to online check-in. If not, you check in at self-counter, you will gonna like extra charges. A really long time didn't come to airport. Behind the KFC is missing. And then here, behind, the McDonald's is missing. No more. Enter into the Penang Airport, scan already. Then now, the whole row actually still left this Cherries Hagel only. The rest is tutup in airport. Starbucks still appear, and then apparently the opposite the Starbucks they open the extension. So you can see more people. So this little girl, she's still like faking working. So when I record the video, shows she very hardworking and then maybe can get the praise from her boss. And then you see, just open Excel, but maybe it's fake one. Same with the shop inside the airport as well. Left these two only. So the rest shop is tutup. At least this one still open. It's my time saver to always buy the roti at there. This is new for me. Last time don't have this. And then besides still have the tea life. So the conclusion is the airport, everything about food still survives, still appears. So don't worry, you still can buy something while waiting for your plane. Yeah, another small thing changes in Penang Airport is like no more water dispenser. I remember last time there, toilet in the middle have the water dispenser so you can refill water. But you know lah, COVID lah. But you still can go inside to buy the water bottle. It's super expensive, like 4 ringgit for like 600 milliliter. This guy is our guide, so he will follow along all our journey for these few days. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Jackie from AVIDER.
So he's Jackie, remember. Yeah. This guy, I know it.
On board AirAsia Flight AK5322 bound for Panasonic. Penerbangan ini akan mengambil masa selama 2 jam.